What is happening, guys? Hope everybody is doing well. Today got a new garage build episode. Something that I've actually been wanting to do for quite a while. If you had watched the last episode, you would have seen that we had finished the landscaping in the backyard, as well adding in the window for the garage. Make sure you go check those out first, if you're interested, of course. So now it is episode 4. And I'm excited. I've been looking forward to getting this stuff done. Today is really going to help transform the space, turn it more into the shop, garage, workspace that I've been envisioning. But yeah, let's show you exactly what we are doing today. As you can see, if you had watched any of the previous episodes, things might be looking a little bit different in here. Bit of a mess. That's okay. We'll get through that. Got a few new pieces. I ended up actually going with the Husky brand. I wanted to make sure that everything that I added kind of all matched and looked really good. You would have actually seen in earlier episodes kind of what it looked like before. So if you hadn't seen those, I will throw in a little clip right here. All the old shelving, I went ahead and got rid of it, sold it. Even the blue tool chest, I ended up actually selling that as well. They wanted to ensure everything was matching in the garage. Went with the Husky brand. Obviously some good deals on this stuff. I also really just liked the look of a lot of their stuff. I like the colors. We got this new tool chest here. That's kind of the one that's replacing that old blue chest that I was talking about. Just the black and light wood. I really like the look of it. I think it's going to really help transform the space. This one was actually the last one left in store, so it was like a demo model, so it was already all set up. I actually went ahead and got a lot of my tools kind of all already organized in here. These are the two pieces that we're going to be setting up today. So we got, what is this, like 4 feet, I think. It's gonna go right beside that tool chest, which essentially is just gonna give me tons of counter space, because that's why I ended up going for this option. Lots of space for your tools, but it's nice kind of having the extra counter space. The other box here you can see is the tool cabinet. So I guess that's a better picture right there. So it'll be nice. I'll have the one tall cabinet at the end, this tool chest here, and then another table. And it's also really nice because it runs all along underneath all these outlets. So it's like perfect. I think even this tall cabinet actually ends right before this last outlet. You can see we got a bit of a mess here. I gotta clean this up first. You can see we just have this old black plastic shelf, which I have a lot of crap sitting on it. As well as some more stuff down there. This all has to come off. So stuff off the shelf, throw it down somewhere on the floor. And then that plastic shelf's actually going to go in the basement in our storage room. Stuff is going to make the space look a lot cleaner overall. Yeah, let's get going, guys. Step 1 done. Now I'm tired and I don't want to do any more. As you can see, kind of, there's our new clutter spot. Freed up our corner, looking a lot nicer. As you can see behind me, we got the cabinet up for the most part. The only thing that I have not done yet is I do need to still mount the brackets on the back of it and just mount it to the wall. That's just to prevent it from toppling over. Anyways, next step, the workbench. So overall, I'd say it's coming together. You can see we got one of these little handles. Look, thankfully they're just held on by a few screws. So I'm actually going to end up taking this little handle right off, so I can kind of close that gap a bit more. I think it'll look a bit better. And then the table or the workbench is going to be lined up right next to this. I forget if it sticks out a little bit more. I can't quite remember. I'm going to make it look as flush as possible. And the legs also have some adjustability there in height, so I can get the workbench matching the exact level of the tool chest. Get the GoPro back out, and I'm going to start plugging away at that.
I feel so lonely now, walking through the cold streets where you used to hold me. You know it's been a while, ever since I saw you. Oh baby, everything we were was just so pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on and on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground, wishing I still dance with
you. I was actually getting ready to edit this video, and it dawned on me that I hadn't even finished filming it. So yeah, it's actually been quite a while, if you can't tell. I've had quite some time, but as you guys would have seen actually from the last footage, was getting all the shelves and storage, whatever thing. Kind of went ahead and mounted a few things on the wall, and I figured I might as well include that in the video, seeing I still have not edited it yet. So it just kind of worked out perfectly in that sense. Again, the procrastination is just working out for us, I guess. It's a little crowded in here. We got all the vehicles put away at the moment, but I got a lot more organizing to do, so keep that in mind. Things aren't all put away. Still got some kind of clutter sitting around. But just standing from back here and just kind of looking at the end wall, I'm gonna throw a clip from what it looked like before, just so you can kind of have that comparison. But with like the pressure washer set up, now all the counter space, the tool chest, the cabinet, outlets, window, it's just all coming together. It looks so much better than what it did before. Really happy that I got all the matching Husky pieces there. The blue Mastercraft tool chest that I actually ended up selling to help pay for some of the new stuff. Looking so much better. But anyways, the storage cabinet. Obviously ended up getting that all set up and got some stuff inside of it. I'll show you that right away. I don't know if you can see, but in the back, got it mounted just in one spot there to the wall, and that just helps prevent this whole storage cabinet from ever tipping forward. Last thing I want is this guy getting damaged, so definitely worth getting a little mount in the back, just that extra safety. Let's show you what it's looking like. So, as you can see, it's kind of got a lot of the detail stuff. I ended up throwing all my towels and whatnot at the top there, and then we got all of our detail products down here, and then just some other stuff, a few more, the wash buckets, oil, whatnot. But yeah, I'm really actually happy with the storage cabinet. Just a couple days ago, we ended up actually hanging a new LED kind of light bar at the top, just over the tool chest. As you would have seen in earlier episodes, we did upgrade all the lighting in the garage, so it's super bright, as you can tell by the footage. But as you can see, just the difference it makes, just so much more light. So if you ever have any projects here that you're just working away at the bench, that light's definitely going to help out quite a bit. So got all the outlets here that you would have seen in previous episodes, and those honestly are in the perfect space. You can see the last outlet just ended right before the storage cabinet. All these outlets just make everything easy, so no matter what you're doing, it's easy to plug in tools, easy to kind of just go at it, right? So even this outlet here, it's a perfect spot because now my pressure washer can just come right down to that outlet. Nice and organized. And I guess the last thing that I added was just this little homemade drill mount or storage / battery storage. Added a power bar mounted up in the top corner here, and that power is actually just running down to this outlet. And then all of our batteries and chargers are all just sitting up top here. So for the drills, mower, just have them all plugged in. So the batteries are always freshly charged, you're ready to go. Got the hangers down here so you can hang all the drills and the impacts, whatever you need. And ultimately, I just think it helps clean it up. It looks so good. But anyways, guys, that is honestly it. That was everything. I just wanted to kind of close out this video, give you guys a final look. As you can see, there's lots more to do. I don't know where we're gonna get here this summer, but obviously there's drywall that still needs to happen. Eventually I'd like to paint. It's coming along. Not quite sure exactly what's gonna be the next build series episode, but there's also quite a bit to come for the Subaru. Got some parts that are gonna get installed on that. I think I got some wash videos that I'm gonna do. So, lots to come for the channel. Lots that I want to get on top of here. Don't want to keep procrastinating like I did on this video. On that note, if you guys have any questions about anything you saw in this video, or if you have any suggestions or things maybe that I should consider doing moving forward, I'd definitely like to hear it. So make sure you're commenting below. But anyways, guys, that is it. That is all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'm super happy with how this space is coming along. And also, there is still a ton of work left. So if you're just finding my videos now, there is lots more to come. So definitely stay tuned for that. We'll catch you in the next video. And yeah, take it easy.